Hello, this is Toffel with Toffel's Tutorials. Today we're going to be going over how you can save some storage space. It can fill up pretty quickly, and rather than uninstall programs and such, I'm going to show you how to get rid of stuff that you don't need. So it's called Storage Sense, and let's get going. The first thing we're going to do is go to the Start button. The next thing we're going to do is go to Settings, which is the little gear. Now we're going to go to Storage. Storage is not there, so we're going to go to Find a Setting. Storage Settings. And on the right side, you're going to see Storage, Local Storage. Those are my drives, my laptop drives, and my external drives. And if you scroll down, you're going to see Storage Sense. It says Windows can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Those can, particularly your recycle bin, if it's not set to empty automatically every 30 days, then you're going to get a lot of space in your recycle bin used up, and that counts. So you want to make sure that Storage Sense is on. There's off, there's on. If you want to try it, you can hit Free Up Space now. And you'll see there's 14 megs there, 7 megs there. I don't have a lot of storage that I need to get rid of because I do it frequently, but this morning, for example, I had 14 gigs in my trash can. So if you're pretty sure that it's okay, and it should be, you just hit Remove Files. Okay. That is what you do to get more space out of your hard drive and your external drives. If you have any questions about this, feel free to comment. Feel free to email. The email is in the comments of most of my videos. And if you would, please look down and subscribe, share, and like. I'm not having a lot of luck with that, but I have hope. I hope you've enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it. And if you have a subject that you would like to understand more, put it in the comments below, and I will try to do that next. So thank you, and goodbye.